In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an alt text to an image in Google Slides. So what is an alt text? Alt text, also known as alternative text, and it is essentially used to describe an image. This is useful for people with impaired vision, and it will also useful for the search engine optimization, especially if you want to publish a document to the web and you want to make sure that is indexable. Then you want to add a descriptive text to the image. To do that, you just need to click on any image on your Google Slides presentation, and then you can click format options. Then here you have plenty of settings for the image, but we are not going to use any of them. Instead, we want to open alt text right here, and then here you can describe what is in the picture. So for example, I could say that this is a wind turbine in the evening sky with something like that. It's wind turbine in evening sky and there is a mountain in the background. So that's a simple way to add an alt text to this picture. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful.